Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful insights. All the links mentioned in this comparison are available in the description below. Please note that this review reflects my personal experience with these institutions. Goldman Sachs versus Fifth Third Bank, which one comes out on top? This video breaks down the key features, target audiences, and strengths of both Goldman Sachs and Fifth Third Bank to help you determine the best fit for your financial needs. Check the description for easy access to their respective product pages. Goldman Sachs, a global powerhouse in finance, is renowned for its prowess in investment banking, wealth management, and innovative financial solutions. Through its Marcus platform, Goldman Sachs provides consumer-centric banking services, including high-yield savings accounts, personal loans, and certificates of deposit, CDS. These offerings are particularly attractive to individuals seeking competitive interest rates coupled with a seamless digital banking experience. Goldman Sachs primarily serves high-net-worth individuals, investors, and businesses requiring sophisticated financial management, offering premium services such as asset management, global trading, and financial advisory consultations. Fifth Third Bank, conversely, concentrates on regional retail and commercial banking, boasting a significant presence across the Midwest and southeastern United States. Their comprehensive suite of services encompasses checking and savings accounts, mortgages, credit cards, personal loans, and tailored business banking solutions. Fifth Third Bank resonates with customers who prioritize in-person banking support, local branch access, and a community-centric banking approach. Furthermore, their mobile and online banking platforms offer user-friendly functionality and incorporate distinctive features like the Fifth Third Momentum app, designed to assist with student loan repayment. The core distinction between these two institutions lies in their respective target demographics and strategic focus. Goldman Sachs is the preferred choice for individuals seeking sophisticated investment options, competitive savings rates, and a global financial outlook. Fifth Third Bank, on the other hand, is better suited for individuals, families, and small businesses seeking accessible, day-to-day banking services supplemented by the personalized touch of local branch support. In summary, if you're seeking advanced financial tools and investment expertise, Goldman Sachs is likely the more appropriate choice. However, if your preference leans towards a regional bank offering practical banking solutions combined with personalized service, then Fifth Third Bank might be a better fit. Explore the links provided in the description for a more detailed understanding of their offerings. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Let us know in the comments which bank aligns best with your financial goals.